Welcome to this concise and practical tutorial on setting up auto pre-publish checks in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to configure your website so that it automatically verifies your content before publishing it. This feature is especially useful for ensuring that your posts meet your quality standards and catch any potential mistakes before they go live. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to accessing the administrative functions of your site, so click on it promptly. After clicking Login, a new window will typically appear, prompting you to sign in. You will be presented with different login options. To make this process faster and more secure, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This allows you to use your existing Google account credentials, simplifying authentication and avoiding the need to remember another password. Once you select Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the one linked to your WordPress website. This step effectively ties your login process to your Google identity, ensuring smooth access and enhanced security. After successfully logging in, your WordPress dashboard will load. Look for the Quick Links section, which provides shortcuts to commonly used site features. Within this section, locate and click on the Edit Site option to enter the site editor. Inside the editor, glance at the top right corner of your screen where you will notice 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to reveal additional settings options. From the menu, select Preferences. Here, you will find a setting labeled Enable Pre-Publish Checks. Turn this feature on to allow WordPress to automatically verify your content before it goes live. By following these steps, you have successfully set up auto pre-publish checks on your WordPress site. This automated process works behind the scenes to catch errors, ensure consistency, and maintain the quality of your post. Enjoy the confidence and peace of mind that comes with knowing every piece of content you publish meets your standards and is ready for your audience. Happy WordPress using!